My dear students, I am taking comparison of fractions. You know, the fractions are also the rational numbers. So we have to compare the two fractions, which is greater, and if the two fractions are greater, first is greater than second, you have to put the sign first. If first is less than second, you have to put the sign second. If two fractions are equal, you have to put the sign third. So now I am taking question number 1. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 are two fractions. We have to find out which is greater. Take LCM of 2 and 3. Denominator of these two fractions are 2 and 3. Take the LCM of 2 and 3, that is 6. 6 is divided by 2, you get 3, and 3 is multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. In the same way, 6 is divided by 2, 3, and 6 is divided by 3, you will get 2. 2 is multiplied by 1 is 2. You see here, by the first fraction you get 3. By the second fraction you get 2. So 3 is greater than 2. Therefore fraction 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 3. Put the sign first. Now I am taking the second question. In second question, insert second question second, 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Now we have these two fractions. We have to compare, and we have to put the sign between these two fractions from first, second, and third. Now take the LCM. Now LCM is 3 into 7, 21. 27, divide 27 by 3, you will get 7. 7 into 2, 14. Divide 27 by 21 by 7, you will get 3. 3 multiply 3 by 5, that is 15. Here you see 14 from 2 by 3, 15 from 2 by 5 by 7. So 14 is less than 15. My dear student, so therefore this implies that 2 by 3 is less than 5 by 7. Put the sign second. Here sign second. Now I am taking next question. Question third. Question third, 3 by 5, 9 by 15. 3 by 5 and second fraction is 9 by 15. We have to check which sign is applicable to these fractions. Now take the LCM. My dear students, here you see the denominator is 5 and 15. So the LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. Because 15 can be divided by 5. So here divide the 15 by 5 is 3 and multiply 3 by 3, 9. Divide 15 by 15, 1. Divide, multiply 1 by 9 is 9. Here, my dear students, 9, this 9 from first fraction and second 9 from the second fraction, and this implies that 9 is equal to 9. Therefore, the fraction 3 by 5 is equal to 9 by 15. You have to put the sign third. So, this is the comparison of two fractions. Now, again, I am taking next question. Question fourth. Here, fourth question is 5, 7 by 9. 5, 7 by 9. Here, my dear students, see, you, you will say that this is not a fraction. No, no, this is a fraction. We can write it again 5 by 1 and 7 by 9. And LCM of 1 and 9 is 9. Divide 9 by 1, you will get 9. 9 into 5, 45. Divide 9 by 9, 1. 1 into 7, 7. Here, this implies that 45 is greater than 7. Therefore, 5 by 1 is greater than 7 by 9, or 5 is greater than 7 by 9. First sign, sign first. So, this is the method by which you can put one sign out of these three in any two fractions by the comparison method. Now, I am taking next question. Next question, fifth question is 5 by 11, 5 by 11 and 7. Again, my dear student, you will say that the second is not a fraction, it is a whole number. So, my dear students, as we have done in the fourth question, make this whole number a fraction. 5 by 11 is 7 by 1. Now, these are two fractions. Now, we have to compare these fractions. Take the LCM 11. Divide 11 by 11, 1. Multiply 1 by 5, 5. Now divide 11 by 1, 11. 11 into 7, 77. So this implies, my dear students, 5 is less than 77. So therefore, 5 by 7, 5 by 11, 5 by 11 is less than 7, or 5 by 11 is less than 7. So here, first, second sign. Second sign. So, my dear students, I am taking next question, sixth example. Sixth example. You see here, sixth example, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 and 12 by 16. 12 by 16. 3 by 4 and 12 by 16. By take the LCM of 4 and 16. Here, 16 can be divided by 4. Therefore, the LCM of 4 and 16 is equal to 16. Now divide 16 by 4. You will get 4. Multiply 4 by 3, 12. Divide 16 by 16, 1. And multiply 1 by 12 is 12. Here you see, this implies that 12 is equal to 12. Therefore, 3 by 4 is equal to 12 by 16. These two fractions are equal. And my dear student, third sign we have to insert, we have to put third sign between these two fractions. So my dear students, I am taking one example more. Here you see seventh example. 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. This is an example of two fractions. We have to compare these two fractions. There are two methods. I will tell you here. In sixth question, we have applied the method of taking LCM. Now, I will take the second method, that we have to multiply first fraction by the denominator of the second, in the numerator as well as in the denominator. And now we have to multiply second fraction by the denominator of the first fraction in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Now multiply 10 by 15 and multiply 9 by 15. Here you see 2 into 5, 10, 15 and 15. Here you see numerator are different and denominator are same. So in this question you can compare, when denominators are same you can compare numerator. Here the numerator is, first fraction of numerator is 10 and numerator of second fraction is 9. 10, this implies 10 is greater than 9. Therefore, 10 by 15 greater than 9 by 15, or 3 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. First sign, first sign. Now my dear students, this is the second method, and by first method take the LCM of these two fractions, 3 into 5. Don't multiply the 3 into 5. It is also a 15, but live like this. Here you see 3 is divided, this 3 is cancelled by this 3 and multiply 5 by 2, 10. 5 is cancelled by 5 and 3 is multiplied by 3. This is 9. Also here this implies 10 greater than 9. This therefore 10 by 15, now multiply 10 by 15 is greater than 9 by 15, or 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. Also first sign. Here you see, my dear students, by both the methods, the sign is same. So you can apply any one of the method by taking LCM or by multiplying the denominator of both the fraction opposite to each other. So my dear students, I think the comparison of fraction or comparison of rational number is clear to you. And in the last, I want to make a request to you. Please subscribe the channel. I shall be very thankful to you.